Welcome to the internship program. I am Shubham Gupta from NextGen AI Frameworks Pvt Limited. I have 14 years of work experience in the fields of artificial intelligence, software development and robotics. In today's session, I will be showing you robotics basics. So you have seen recently Tesla Optimus humanoid robot was launched. So I will be telling you how to proceed creating that kind of humanoid robot. So first I will show you I created humanoid robots using waste materials. So let's see the demo. If I click here, he will cry. If I touch here, he will laugh. I have converted this waste plastic bottle to milk bottle. If I put this bottle in his mouth, he will say Mama.
Hi there, how are you?
If I touch his neck, he will laugh. तो
Ouch, it's too hot.
ये 7 महीने का बच्चा, ये जो है यही है. इसके नीचे ऊपर कोई भी वायरिंग नहीं है, सब कुछ अंदर ही है. तो जैसे मैंने बहुत ही हल्के से इसको गुदगुदी करने के लिए इस तार पे बस हाथ लगाया, तो देखो कैसे हंस रहा है. और अगर ज़्यादा तेज़ी से करूँगा तो चीखेगा. So as you can see, I have created these kind of humanoid robots using waste material. I will share my experience with these robots, how you can get started with robotics. So first I will show you how Tesla Optimus looks like. Tesla Optimus. And this is the Tesla Optimus robot, and I will show you the YouTube video. So let us look at this video.
And a robo assistant. This is what the future looks like. This is Tesla's newest addition to its ever-growing. Okay, so let us look more into it.
Progress with the Optimus.
The robots were making drinks, doling out gift bags, and shook a leg with the guests. Elon Musk once again pushes the envelope with his futuristic vision.
Now I will tell you how to get started with the robotics and how to create these kind of robots. So I will discuss my experience with this humanoid robot or humanoid head that I created. So I used the Arduino Uno microcontroller to connect or control the hardware from the computer. So I will show you step by step process how it works. So first thing I want to share is I have created many robotics projects and automation projects. You will find all those projects on humanoidmaker.com. Okay, so the first thing you will require is Arduino Uno microcontroller. So what this microcontroller is and what it does is, so first thing is this is how it looks like. So I can open up some image for the Arduino Uno. This is how it looks like, and it has this USB cable that you can connect with the computer. So after connecting this microcontroller with the USB cable, you can write the code in C++. So Arduino code in which language? C++. So you can write your code in C++ language and upload the code, and it will be able to control the hardware in real world. I will show you the software. So Arduino, this is the software. So the programs here are called sketch, and you can write your logic here and upload it on the microcontroller, and it will be able to control the hardware. What kind of hardware? For example, LED lights, servo motors, pumps, anything that you want to control can be controlled using these microcontrollers. So what is the process? First you have to connect the Arduino and hardware. I will tell you everything, how to connect those things, but remember, this is just introductory session and I won't be creating a robot in these sessions. This is just to show you how you can use AI/ML models or artificial intelligence to automate things in real life. So I told you 4 different fields where you can use the AI/ML models. So this is one of the field, robotics, or in industries you can use, and this is how you can proceed with the hardware part, robotics. Okay, so let us take a use case and then I will tell you how to write the code in Arduino. So first use case is, as I have shown you this robot. So let's see how it works. So suppose this is the robot. Suppose this is the robot. So here you have to move neck from left right. So as you know, you can move your neck in the front or on the left or on right. This means your neck can rotate 180 degree, and you cannot see anything on back. You cannot rotate your neck and look at back. So you will require some hardware capable of turning the head from 0 to 180 degree. So for that case, so the hardware you will require is servo motor. So this is how a servo motor looks like, and there can be multiple types of motors available. So what servo motor is, when you pass the instruction from the computer that you want to move from 0 to 180 degree, you can give any angle and the head will move to that particular direction. So let's see the code. Servo motor, Arduino code. So this is the basic code. I will copy this code and tell you how it works, not going too deep into it. So basically there are two functions available here. One is setup and one is loop. So whenever you initialize something, you use the setup function, and whenever you put or want to run some hardware again and again or check for some logic, then you put everything in loop. So if I put this code, let's see how to proceed with connecting a servo motor. So first thing I want to show you is, okay, I made changes to this code to show you the simple code. So what is happening is, as I have shown you the Arduino Uno, there are several pins available. So let us look at this image. So there are several pins available, as you can see. So what in the code we are doing is attaching this servo motor on pin 9, this one. So you can just put the so there will be 3 cables, for example, in the servo motor. Let us look at the servo motor. Okay, so there are three pins available. One will be orange, one is red, and one is brown, that is for negative. So you already know in all the electronics you have uh, positive and negative in DC at least. So you connect these positive and negative on the, so positive is 5 volt here, and negative or brown cable should go in GND, and orange cable should go in pin 9. So this will be the simple connection with the servo motor. So put these three wires here in the Arduino, connect it with the computer, and then let us look at the code. What happens is, so this servo motor can so it contains this head that you can put here, and it can move from 0 degree to 180 degree, and how you can control the degrees like this. So first thing what will happen is, you have to import the servo library and then attach the servo to pin 9 like this by mentioning this in setup. And then comes the loop part. What happens is, this code will run again and again. But how? So first the servo motor head will go to 0 degree. So for example, your robot will look at left, then 1 second delay, then your robot will look at right, then 1 second delay. Again and again this will happen in the loop. So this is the simple example how you can move robot head from left to right using servo motor. I will tell you how you can buy the Arduino Uno. So Arduino Uno is available on almost all the electronics website, and if you look at amazon.in also this is available. So there are many version of Arduino available. What you will be looking at is for basic is Arduino Uno, and you can look at the pricings. There are different pricing available. So this one is for example for 438, and this some original Arduino will be 2000 rupees or 3000 rupees. So what happens is, these are clone, or these are actually not these are just compatible boards with the IC, and these are not original board, but you can use them, they work fine. So uh, these are compatible. So Arduino Uno, when you search, there will be many variety available. So look at this. This is original genuine board, Arduino Uno R3. So these kind of boards will be available. So you can also go for compatible boards if you want to save cost. So this is how you can find the Arduino Uno and servo motor. So these are the servo motors, and they can move. So this is SG90 model, and that can move from 0 to 180 degree. So the you can find the hardware on the internet easily. So I just told you. So as you can see in this example, so you can see I is moving from left to right. So I use the same kind of code in to create this, but this is the basic example how you can attach the servo motor and interact with the robot using a computer. I will continue this session in next video. See you in next video. Have a nice day.